Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. టుడే I am going to prepare chicken fry. Come on, let's start the process. 500 grams chicken, chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, tomato puree, red chili powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, curry leaves, oil, green chilies, salt and coriander. Take a frying pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, now add chicken pieces and fry both sides until it turns into a golden red. Once chicken get fried on both sides, now it's a time to take chicken pieces into a bowl. Now add turmeric powder. Add chopped onions. Stir it very well. Fry the onions until it turns into golden color. Once onions get fried, it's a time to add ginger garlic paste. Combine it very well. Now add green chilies, curry leaves and mix it well. It's the time to add salt, red chili powder, and garam masala. Once mix it well. Now add fried chicken pieces and mix everything well. Finally, add tomato puree. Combine everything well. Let it cook on a low flame. For garnish, add chopped coriander. Mix it well and switch off the flame. Now you can serve this chicken fry in a serving plate. Thanks for watching today's episode.